What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all are having a great start to the week. Today is the day I have been waiting for, and I'm sure a lot of you have. It is the drop of the new 2022 GT500 Code Red from RLC, and I am super excited, but hopefully I can score one. I'm just going to keep my eye on the clock. It's going to be dropping here at 10 a.m., but it's 9 a.m. Pacific time, but just really hoping to get that for the collection. It is a beautiful release, and for 25 bucks, I mean, I think it comes out to like 33 after shipping. That is not bad at all. So good luck to everybody out there. There's also the super cool Choice R34 that's dropping this week. I think it comes out tomorrow. So good luck for you guys on that one. I think I'm going to have a better chance with the GT500 than you guys are for those who want the R34. So, but other than that, guys, it is that time yet again. We have a mail call. Now, this box is from our buddy Joe over at Automotive History through DIECAST. And as I always say, for those who have channels, be sure to go check him out. I'll have his link down in the description box below. Be sure to go check out his channel, drop a thumbs up, drop a comment, and of course, if you like what you see, subscribe to his channel. So without further ado, guys, I don't know what is in the box. There's only one way to find out, and it's to see what's inside. All right, guys, super excited. I know of like one or two cars in here, but other than that, I have no idea what else he threw in here. Oh, this is a protector, because my man knows I cut through the box, and check it out. I didn't go too deep this time. Didn't even score the protective pad. So I definitely appreciate when people do that, because they know I cut right into the box. So pulling this one out, oh, here we go. That's right. I know exactly what is in this box. So the 77 Pack-In Racer, guys, the Beavis and Butthead from the Pop Culture series for 24. Never saw it in our area. I think it dropped one or maybe two times, but I was late to it. And I definitely wanted this for the collection because this was something I grew up with watching on MTV back when MTV used to have the coolest shows. Man, I miss this, but it is a super cool car. Check it out, man. I love the patina and the different door panels with their faces on the door. Just really cool. And it looks like there's a big motor coming out the back window. That is so cool, man. Check it out. That is awesome. That is so cool. This is just one of the cool ones in this box right now. This one right here is, oh my gosh, here it is, guys. The Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 34 Gran Turismo 7 livery. Gosh, man, that is nice. That is nice. These did not last long in my area. I don't even remember when they did because they were gone so fast. But here we go. Check it out. You got some really nice 6 spokes in black. Super cool Gran Turismo livery. I mean, this is just an iconic deco for this car. But there we go, guys. The R34. Heck yeah, man. And it's not the only one. Check this out. Another Gran Turismo. This is the Nismo GT3. Holy crap, that is nice. Gosh, man. That is a beautiful R35. I mean, can you go wrong with a beautiful Nismo GT3? Because I do not think so. This is super cool. Love the color scheme with the white, red, and black. You got the PlayStation logo on the side. Let me know down below, what were you growing up? Were you PlayStation? Were you Xbox? Because I was PlayStation for the longest time until Forza came out, and then I kind of switched platforms there. But other than that, I was always Nintendo. I mean, we had the first Nintendo VCR style, you know, the one you slide the cartridge in, push it down, you had to blow on it, you had to slide your shirt, whatever you could do to get it to play. We started with that one. But dude, freaking sweet, man. Check out these pop cultures, guys. I mean, 2 awesome JDMs right here. I mean, the R34 and R35, very iconic in the scene. And then here we go. Yes, there it is, man. Gosh, the Liberty Walk Super Silhouette R34 in white. This is sweet. Man, I had completely forgot about this set. And him and I talked about this probably a couple months back of him setting aside this set for me because I just could not find it. And you guys know I love some Skylines. I mean, just like anyone else in the hobby. But this is collector number 70 out of the Boulevard. And this was just another one that is hard to find. So anytime Hot Wheels does any iconic JDM, especially the Skyline, they are never going to last. I do have the GT500 and the Volkswagen Caddy. I never did get the Subaru or the Dodge Van, even though those two are super sweet looking. But this one, definitely never had a chance to get it. So thank you so much, man. All right, let's see. Here we go. Next up is the other iconic car from pop culture, the Mutt Cuts van. Yes. Oh, man. Dumb and Dumber. This is so cool. This is so cool. I think this is going to be probably the only release this is ever going to get because you can't do anything else to this casting. But I honestly don't think they would waste the tooling to make it just one time. So we'll see what they do with this one. Maybe they'll do a fantasy lineup out of it. I don't know. I don't know. Comment down below. What do you think? Do you think this is going to be the only time they're going to release this van? Or is it something that they are going to redo again over and over with just different wheels? But this is cool, man. This pop culture set was really awesome. They definitely catered to a lot of people. I mean, iconic Beavis and Butthead, Dumb and Dumber. I mean, you can't get any better than that. And then the last one out of the pop culture set right here is, of course, this beauty. It is the MTV livery of the Dairy Delivery. Man, I miss this era. I miss this era so much because, I mean, you had music video after music video. Then you had live shows featuring bands. I mean, it was really just music, television. You had Celebrity Deathmatch. That was like one of my favorites. Beavis and Butthead, of course. You had so many shows on there that was just iconic growing up in the 90s and even early 2000s. I don't remember when they stopped doing videos and stuff, but yeah, this is really cool, man. Look at that, guys. Awesome stuff from Joe. Thank you so much for the R35, 34. I mean, the pop culture stuff, the Boulevard. That is sweet. And we still have a couple more things. So let's go ahead and start digging through the packing peanuts. Ooh, what do we have down here? Uh-oh, this might be one of... Oh, no, never mind. Check this out. Nice. Dude, that is sick, man. Look at that. Roadmates. This is a Sears. Like Sears as in the appliance place. Because that is so cool, man. Look at that. Another lime green Mustang for the collection. All in about a week. You guys saw I got the new Boss 302 from Matchbox in the same color. We got the M2 hauler 66 Mustang in the same color. Now we have the old Fox body. This is awesome, dude. On the original car, too. Holy crap. That is nice. You got a sunroof, red interior. Of course, the horse trotting on the side. That is sweet. I have never seen this before. I've never seen the card. I've never seen the diecast. That is sweet, man. That is... Oh, dude, you know I love stuff like that. Thank you. All right, next up is this beauty. Check this out. I have never seen this. This is the Cobra Deco of the 1965 Ford Econoline van. And it's a Shelby. That is cool. I've never seen a Shelby version of this van. How freaking sweet is that? That is cool. It's almost, is it the same? Yeah, it's the same deco as this one right here. But now we have a van. This is the first one in the collection. That is sweet, dude. That is sweet. M2, man. M2. Jeez. I'm still waiting to hear back from them. I put in an application with them for a partnership. I've checked up with them. They keep saying that it takes a while to review the applicants and all that stuff because I do want to partner with M2. I mean, you guys know I talk about them all the time. I mean, they have the best Mustang castings in my opinion. Yes, they don't roll. The quality sometimes isn't the best, but I love that they push out so many Mustangs and I try to track them all down. So this is cool, man. Thank you so much for this piece. All right, let's see what is at the bottom. Ooh, here we go. Oh, this is an error. Oh, check it out. It has no glass top. It is an open top car now. The Lotus Evija. That is cool. Thank you. Man, you guys know I love errors too. So when it comes to a true error, like missing a window, missing wheels, wrong wheels, missing paint, those are true errors. When it comes to like the blister being a different blister, or let's see, the car's facing the wrong way, those aren't true errors. If you take them out, it is not going to be an error no more. If it's missing pieces like this, plus it is still riveted, so you can tell that it is a true factory error. That is awesome, man. Thank you for that. That is cool. And it's an international. Sweet. And this gem right here. Check that out, guys. Boss 302 M2. Oh, man. We did not get this in our area. Supposedly we did, and maybe one or a few guys bought the entire pallet. I don't know if it was to resell or what. But dude, we got it, man. Yes. 70 Boss 302 Son of Trans Am ornament set for the holidays of 2024. Look at that color, guys. Super clean copper right here. And then we have a nice, looks like a turquoise or teal color. Yeah, it's like a teal. Man, that is awesome. That is freaking awesome. I got to realign these a little bit, get that top piece up. That way you guys can check it out. And there you go. You have, it looks like a holiday theme right there on the rear fender. Yeah, it says Happy Holidays 2024. Now, the only other ornament that I have, let's put this right here, is the one that I found at O'Reilly's, and it is that one. This was another one that surprisingly I found in store, and it's the 1970 Boss 302 as well, with the O'Reilly's livery on this. This one I found last year. I think it's a 23's release. Yep. And I was just super excited to find that in the wild. So here we go, guys. Awesome freaking package from Joe. Thank you so much, man. This is awesome. Just want to make sure there's nothing else. And let's go ahead and throw this down there. And here we go, guys. Talk about a spread. Much better than a Thanksgiving feast. I mean, we got super cool Fox Body vintage release right here. We got the pop culture set going on with some JDM love, MTV. I mean, Dumb and Dumber, Beavis and Butthead, and of course the Liberty Walk R34 Super Silhouette. That thing is so clean. All of these are freaking awesome, man. Thank you so much. We got the Lotus Evija Era right here. We got a Econoline van with the Shelby theme going on. And finally, the 2024 holiday ornaments from M2. Dude, talk about awesome. Joe, again, thank you so much. And like I said, I am working on a lot of people's customs. I just finished my buddy's FJ. That thing is super cool. My light just died, so that is telling me I need to wrap this episode up. But yeah, my buddy's FJ Cruiser came out really good. You guys saw I scored a second one just so I can do a custom for him. And it was in trade for the 2 RLC lowriders that I got. That was our deal, and I was able to find a second one, and I got it done. So I'm going to be delivering it to him today. He's going to be super excited, I could already tell, because this is probably one of my best personal customs of someone's actual car. I've done some in the past, but I think this one was like pretty spot on. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode just as much as I did. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. And of course, comment down below your thoughts. And with that, guys, let me know. Did you grow up as a Gran Turismo guy, PlayStation, or Xbox? Other than that, guys, I have nothing else. Good luck out there. I'm going to try to score the GT500 Code Red. Hopefully, a lot of you out there can as well. And those who are wanting the Choice Award Skyline, good luck on that one as well. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.